Alright guys, we're starting here and not at home because it's so rainy. You guys would get soaked on the ride. So I figured I'd start it here and you guys still might get a little wet. The rain's coming in at an angle. Daniel is getting off on his break. He said, are you going to Express? I'm not sure if he realizes how rainy it actually is. But I figured I'd come out anyway and see if he shows up. I'm only about 4 blocks away. He's got about 12 blocks or 10 blocks to go. So we'll see if he actually makes it. If he doesn't show up in too long, I think we'll call it a day. Oh, there he is. He's just not riding. A coffee. Triple, 1 triple. Coffee for Daniel, yeah. She's just making you one. I wasn't sure if you were gonna make it because it's so freaking rainy.
I've been walking pretty much every day here.
Why?
I don't know.
What's wrong with your bike?
Get a coffee. I put it in, sorry.
We still might have a few more days. Sunday's supposed to be good.
Well, I got the other one going.
Oh, that's small enough you can bring down, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
I thought I could just take the battery right out there.
Isaac wants to go riding with us on Sunday.
I heard he's all butthurt because of the bike.
What happened to a bike?
I don't know, I heard a rumor going around that he's all upset because, you know, remember your bike that you got back from the fucking what's his face?
Yeah.
He's like, oh, I should have never got. I heard that he's a little butthurt because fucking I should have never went to my girlfriend. It's like, my fucking girlfriend needs a bike and I couldn't fucking afford to pay for it. Just so he gave it to me for free. Right?
No, I saw him yesterday. I mentioned that we're gonna go riding, and he never said nothing. You're fine.
I just heard it. I heard that. Yeah, he was like siding my. I don't know. Something. I got upset about it going to greener or some shit. That's all I really heard.
I wouldn't worry about it. He's got tons of stuff. Like he's got quads. He's got a.
I don't think that he even said it. It's just.
Yeah, no, it's just a crazy rumor.
Yeah.
Grab your coffee.
It didn't really make any sense.
No, he wouldn't be upset. He's got his own vehicles. Yeah.
So if you watch this video, Isaac, sorry, I'm not blaming you. Just it's rumors, so someone's talking in the group you hang out with.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I wouldn't worry about it. Fucking wet, eh? It's supposed to clear up around 12:15, and then it drops down to like fucking 58% or something. Right now it's 95, so.
That's awesome, but Daddy's coming out. So fucking, who knows what it's gonna be like later, but at least it's nice out.
It's not cold, yeah, and it's not super windy. I was thinking that yesterday. It was nice and yeah, it wasn't cold. There was no wind. It was cooler, just not wind.
Did he say what he was gonna bring?
No. Yeah, his trike. It's the one with the muffler that doesn't have a muffler on it.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Hey.
Fucking rain, go away.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. It's good he's coming out.
Yeah. Well, I told him about that trail. He actually knew about it.
Oh,
Yeah. And if we can get Jimmy out there, I'd like to check out that trailer. But I think we might have to do a little, like a short, maybe 100 yards into the bush from the road. Because where I saw it, you come around on the far side of the lake. It's just a little retention pond. And then you can see this trailer and maybe one other building there. But it looks like it's been fucking not used in forever, so I severely doubt somebody's actually living there.
Yeah.
How far do you have to walk? That's a fuck of a long walk, no?
You never seen where my work is, right?
No.
It's a big factory over there. We always pass it.
So, you know how we go down river and then there's that first stop sign? Then there's the next street. You're on the right there, eh? That's the factory?
You know it's yours, right?
Yeah.
Just down that road a bit.
To the
about
first-
halfway, you'll see a big factory around the side.
Okay, I know where, yeah.
Next to the train tracks. But yeah, basically the same spot. Down from there, it's like, that's the old gen, or no, I think that is the Atlas Steel, or whatever.
Are all those factories being used, that line of factories? Those are all being used, eh? None of those are abandoned?
It looks like it should be.
Yeah, they look all rusty and fucked up.
Yeah, I've been saying that for years. I'm like, how is it not condemned? It looks like a panel will fly off and kill somebody.
Right, or just the wall, it's going to collapse at any moment.
Like, isn't there fucking codes for this shit? Like, like Canada does not give a fuck because they want their steel. I'm like, fucking give them money to fix the shit. Get contractors to go and fix it for them. Build them after.
Yeah.
What the fuck, you know, own a goddamn company like that? It looks like fucking it's gonna decay and fall apart. What the hell? Well, there's multiple fucking places in there. There's the big factory, and apparently there's other job sites in there. There used to be a lot of shit in there, like a lot of different factories.
Yeah, I know they got, a lot got hit hard.
Oh yeah, burned pretty much all of it down. Because that's what my work is. It's the old Gen 4, but good majority that got burned away. Ripped, they fucking tore it up. We're only left with the little portion of it. It's not little, but it's alright, it's alright. I didn't know if you were gonna make it. I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, oh fuck this rain.
Well, I almost didn't, and then you texted me, and then I thought, fuck it, you know what? I'm 4 blocks away. I'm pretty sure I can make it out.
For you, it's a little bit heftier.
That's what I even said to my viewers. I said, like, I got 4 blocks to go. I don't know how far he's coming from, and if he's gonna make that effort, I might as well do the 4 blocks.
No, I was beating Jimmy here. I just don't really say anything because I know your guys' is at 1 o'clock, right? So, it's kind of inconvenient for the timing. I want to order something and see if it's going on. A little bit of an easier day. Don't gotta break anybody's in it. Nice. Just all not really feeling that great, so don't want to work on machinery with them.
Yeah, it's going from 100% to, right now, 100% to 61, and then down to 55. So 1 and 2.
So it might still be raining. If not, I think tomorrow is not supposed to be raining. And then you guys said Sunday it's supposed to be nicer. Anybody else on it?
I don't know. I think it's probably too rainy.
Yeah.
Everyone else, I think, has to come from further than I did.
Yeah. You know Sharon's coming over later?
Yeah, Sharon's coming at 1.
Are you going back home?
Jordan is coming. Crystal's coming. I'll be here.
Well,
I'll go home after this. Yeah.
no. I guess that's the worst thing about walking. I have way less time.
Hey, cousin, want some popcorn?
Yeah, I love popcorn.
Why'd you use that hand?
Why not?
You were just scratching your ass. Hey, cousin, want some popcorn?
Yeah, I love popcorn.
Why'd you use that hand?
Why not?
You were just scratching your ass.
1864. I got like 5 last night. Yeah. One of the videos, they're talking shit about you is doing really good. 674 in the last 2 days.
Wait, what?
Yeah. 600 in the last less than 2 days.
What one was that?
Meeting Daniel for his break. They're talking shit about you. As James, my buddy James, he came and was telling me just more crap from
Oh, that guy with blonde hair?
the guy with no hair. That's the thumbnail. He was here that one day
Oh,
with
yeah.
the white and black dog. He's a really good guy.
Bunch of haters.
Oh yeah. Well, it's just sour grapes, right?
Yeah. Got out done nothing to nobody. Well, at least I can say my one video on YouTube probably did way better than your whole entire group would ever do. 3 million views. For one little thing, which is weird. Over a couple weeks, but like, that's crazy. 3 million.
Mm-hmm.
I feel stupid. I took it down though. And it was that bin that I made for my scooter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hit hard in India. Really hard. I see why though. That thing's like a fucking. It's like fit to their culture. I kind of fitted it to their culture, which a lot of Indian people would stop and be like, "Can I take a picture with you?" It's sitting in there, and it's really cool. Like I like that. It looks like the things we drive back home, and I'm like, "Oh, that's awesome." And I was like, "Yeah, of course." Like, that's cool. At least I did. So I made something that like inspired a lot of other people, or maybe not even inspired, just maybe it gave them ideas, cheap ways to build their own things.
Huh. Do you confront men for? Do you confront men attempting to meet minors for sex?
Well,
No. No.
What the fuck is that thing?
It's off one of the ones where we were talking about one of the videos where they're talking shit about you. So at some point we must have mentioned something about, you know, something like that or something, but so they're asking about that.
Like predator catchers? I know those are really like, who thinks that? There's like a YouTuber that does that.
Yeah.
He literally catches them and then.
Oh, I've heard
punishes
about
them.
that one, Vitali.
Yeah, there.
Yeah. I heard, but they beat him up too, eh? They beat up the predators.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because I was watching a video on it, and I guess he went a little too hard, and he was like, you know what, no, I'm done. We're not doing this anymore. Fucking set the guy free. Like he got so upset about what they were doing to these people that I guess it changed his reality of, you know, he shouldn't be doing this type of shit. Like, it's one thing of getting them and embarrassing them, whatever, and then they go to jail. But like, yeah, they were harming these people, making them do them really like twisted things. Some of it got filmed, and a lot of the things they didn't want to film got. Yeah, he does a lot of that. He's got like investigators and shit. I think he's like got a program that finds these people too.
No, they just catfish. So they'll go on
Oh, like make fake accounts.
online, make a fake account showing they're like a little girl or a little boy, and then trap them.
Oh yeah.
Right? People that reach out to them, they say, "Sure, let's meet," and then. I just wouldn't want to get into that because that whole kind of thing makes me icky. Plus, I don't have the self-control to not kill them.
Yeah.
Right? I'd want to murder them.
Yeah.
And I know I don't have the self-control to not smash their heads in or something, right?
Yeah, that's fair.
And if I'm with people, that just kind of gets that whole tension up even more because they'll feed off my energy, and now you have 3 people wanting to kill this guy.
Yeah.
Plus, I think here in Canada, we're such a liberal society, the police and stuff would support the predator, right? Oh, you can't beat them up, you can't entrap them, you can't do that because they have rights, right? It's ridiculous, but that's, I think, the line they would take. Hell, you can't even beat up somebody that comes and breaks into your house. You'll get charged.
Yeah, they're just dumb.
That's ridiculous, right? You come into my house, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Or he's trying to take on my bike or something. You know, kind of.
Right? And you'll deal with the courts, right? But
You
the
think
courts
they're really
still
gonna
say...
You think, oh my God, he's stealing away.
I'd do a jury trial. I'd ask for a jury trial. 12 peers. What would you guys do if someone broke into your house? You'd defend it,
Yep.
right?
Well, she's gonna be like, oh yeah, it's my bike.
All I
Oh,
need
my
is
bike.
one person on that jury to side with me, and I'm clear.
You got like a $3,600 bike. And you think anybody in their right mind's gonna be like, oh yeah, it's okay, let's just steal it. It's fine. I'll deal with the courts and blah, blah, blah. I'll get it back, you know. And if you have insurance, it's the simple person taking your property. Okay? Like, that's a no-go.
My
Ain't
YouTube,
happening.
a YouTube deposit came in.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming for that you got to put in your banking or
To YouTube, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I gotta get going.
You're off? Okay, I will see you at after work.
So. All right.
Do you want a coffee to go?
Sure.
Can I get him a coffee to go when you get a second? It'll be a little easier, nicer walking with a coffee.
Might as well get a tray. Yeah, I'll be a little bit late, probably.
Dwayne to Sharon?
There's like 3 stuff on the ground.
Gulp that down. Gulp that one down. Dwayne to Sharon. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a cigarette. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Yeah. Have a good week afternoon. I almost said weekend. Dwayne to Sharon. Jordan, if Sharon's available, you want to go to do that Mandarin today? I'm thinking maybe around 2 we'll go.
Hey Dwayne, I'd love to tag along. Unfortunately, I got my kids coming today around 3:30, 4 o'clock. So if we're able to go a little earlier, that would be awesome. If not, that's okay. But again, I got my kids coming at 3:34.
10-4. I'm trying to get a hold of Sharon now.
Roger that.
Sharon won't be doing nothing today, Dwayne, because Juliet and her boyfriend's coming up, and Sharon has to clean the whole house and get rid of everything because that thing the puppy has is contagious, supposedly. So she has to clean everything down, wash everything down, so she might not show up.
Thanks, Tina. All right, viewers, I think we're going to call this then. I'm going to head home. And providing the rain slows down at 1, we'll do a 1 o'clock get together. All right, I hope you guys didn't get too wet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. See you on the next one.